See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
This message is for my president, President Tinubu. President Tinubu, I think it is time for you to resign now. How do you feel comfortable being president over a failed nation? How do you feel comfortable being president over kidnapping, over genocide, over losing? We are losing our gallant soldiers. How do you feel, president, over failing democracy? How do you feel being president over failing judiciary? President Tinubu, if you genuinely love Nigeria, it is time for you to resign now. President Tinubu, resign honorably now. You are not capable enough to rule our nation at this junction. Things are getting bad. Our children are getting kidnapped. People are panning every day. No hospitals, no good roads. Poverty everywhere, hardship everywhere. President Tinubu, I beg you, please, it is time for you to go. It is time for you to relax. You have done your bit. Allow young people to come in and fix this nation. This nation cannot sink under your watch. How can they kidnap children, girls? Nobody is really even talking about it. Nobody is making move. You now have soldier, a cancer in Wike, destroying our democracy under your watch, President Tinubu. Our democracy has gone cuckoo. Our democracy has gone gaga under your watch, President Tinubu. It is time for you to resign now. It is time for you to resign now. How do you feel comfortable being president over poverty, multidimensional poverty? Common malaria and typhoid are taking thousands per day. Kidnappers are taking their own. Genocide are taking their own. Democracy is dying. Our judiciary are now singing. They are standing on your mandate instead of the mandate of the people. Dear President Tinubu, it is time for you to take the bold step and step aside. Let us have young people to fix our nation. We cannot continue like this. It is time for you to go. President Tinubu, resign now.